make ice cream popsicles. So we have our Oreos. We have our 2 sticks. We have cream and
Milk.
milk. This is milk. Okay. And we have our glass. And we have our
Crusher.
crusher. Let's start it.
So what do we do first, Sachi?
Smash our Oreos.
Careful with your hand.
Everybody back. Step back.
There you go.
Then it goes inside this. And now we are going to add the milk.
Pour the milk. All right.
You're right. Crush this, crush. Done this. Now we are done with the popsicles making. Now we are going to put in the freezer.